Welcome to 2025, the year of warm minimalism. This trend combines simplicity with comfort, creating a perfect balance between modern design and cozy living. Minimalism isn't about stark spaces anymore. In 2025, it's all about adding warmth to those clean lines. Think natural wood finishes, soft, earthy colors like taupe, clay, and terracotta, and the use of organic materials like linen and wool. This trend is all about intentionality, choosing fewer pieces, but making sure they matter. Multifunctional furniture, like a couch that transforms into a bed or a coffee table that doubles as storage, is key. It's minimalism with a heart. In the kitchen, you'll see this trend come to life through open shelving, wooden cabinetry, and artisanal handmade ceramics. 2025 is about embracing imperfections. Natural textures, knots in the wood, and hand-thrown pottery are celebrated. Warm minimalism is more than a style. It's a way to create a home that's peaceful, functional, and full of life. Nature is the ultimate designer. In 2025, biophilic design takes center stage with a focus on bringing the outdoors in. Biophilic design is all about connecting with nature. Think large windows that flood spaces with natural light, indoor plants that create a sense of calm, and materials like stone, wood, and bamboo that mimic the textures of the natural world. Greenery isn't just for the garden anymore. Vertical plant walls and hanging gardens are becoming popular in living rooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms, creating a living, breathing element within the home. Sustainability is at the core of this trend. Furniture made from recycled or renewable materials, like reclaimed wood or eco-friendly fabrics, plays a huge role. It's about creating a space that's in harmony with the environment. In 2025, biophilic design invites us to reconnect with nature, creating homes that nurture our well-being, both physically and mentally. 2025 is a year for bold design lovers. Say goodbye to neutrals and hello to vibrant color palettes that make a statement. From jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue to unexpected pops of mustard yellow and burnt orange, color is key. It's about self-expression and creating spaces that feel dynamic and energetic. Kitchens and bathrooms are where bold design really shines. Think cabinets in rich, saturated colors, paired with intricate tile work or funky backsplashes. It's all about personalization, making your space a reflection of your personality. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and textures either. Geometric prints, vintage florals, and bold stripes are all part of the 2025 aesthetic. Pair them with contrasting textures like velvet, leather, or even brushed metal for added depth. Bold doesn't have to mean chaotic, though. The key is balance. Pair those rich colors with neutral accents or softer textiles to create a space that's energizing yet harmonious. In 2025, it's all about creating a home that reflects your unique style, with bold colors leading the way.